Welcome to the best picks. The best smoke eliminator is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone dealing with lingering cigarette smoke. This video dives deep into the best products available, exploring their effectiveness in removing stubborn odors from various surfaces. We'll cover everything from air purifiers to fabric sprays, helping you find the perfect solution to reclaim your space and breathe easier. Number 5. HATHASPACE HSP001 True HEPA Air Purifier. This air purifier is designed to remove 99.9% of dust, smoke, pet dander, odors, and VOCs. It covers up to 700 square ft, ensuring clean air throughout your home. This device is perfect for bedrooms and large rooms. The 4-in-1 filter system targets various pollutants like pollen and pet dander. The H11 HEPA filter captures particles down to 0.3 microns. Its lightweight and portable design allows you to improve air quality wherever you go. This air purifier is designed for quiet operation, making it ideal for bedrooms and living rooms. You can enjoy clean air without any disturbance. It efficiently captures dust and particles, supporting your body's natural response. It's easy to access and change the filters. It comes with multiple fan speed options, allowing you to adjust the filtration to your needs. A remote is included for easy adjustments, and it also has an auto mode for real-time adjustments. This air purifier acts as both an air cleaner and odor eliminator. It features a honeycomb-activated carbon filter that absorbs odors, smoke, and VOCs. Enjoy clean air delivered quietly and efficiently in your home. Before using the ionizer feature, ensure the room is clear of humans and animals. Wait 30 minutes after completion before re-entry. This feature should only be used in unoccupied spaces to avoid irritation. The product comes with a 2-year warranty and award-winning customer support. You can also find replacement filters to ensure fresh air all year round. Trust the brand that cares about your health. What we like. This air purifier features a smart sensor that constantly monitors your air quality, ensuring a clean environment. Its quiet operation makes it perfect for bedrooms and living rooms, allowing you to enjoy fresh air without any disturbance. If you are looking for a device that quietly and effectively removes smoke odors and VOCs, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Very quiet even at its highest speed. I can smell that the air is cleared of the cigarette smoke. Still functioning as from day one. We have a multi-animal home, large breed dogs, and this totally helps keeps the dust, dander, allergies, and animals smell at bay. Super easy to use. The noise level is as expected. We keep it on auto and it just a little white noise. Number 4. PuroAir 240 HEPA Air Purifier. Tired of allergies and poor air quality? This air purifier from PuroAir is designed to clean your home's air quickly and efficiently. It can clean rooms up to 1,000 square feet in just 1 hour. The device uses a powerful 3-layer filtration system. It includes a pre-filter, a HEPA filter, and activated carbon to remove up to 99.9% of pollutants. This includes dust, pollen, smoke, and pet dander. This air purifier is lab-tested and proven to filter common household pollutants. It can improve allergy symptoms and sleep quality. It's also certified by CARB, ETL, ISO, UL, and Energy Star. The smart particle sensor monitors air quality and adjusts the power as needed. It also has a sleep mode for quiet operation. It's designed to be used continuously, ensuring clean air around the clock. PuroAir stands by its products with a 2-year warranty. Over 300,000 families trust this product to keep their air clean. If you have any issues, their team is ready to help. They are proudly based in the USA. What we like. This air purifier can cover large rooms up to 1,000 square feet, ensuring clean air throughout your space. With its powerful 3-layer filtration system, it removes up to 99.9% of pollutants. If you need a reliable, always-on solution for large rooms, this is the one for you. What people say. It covers 1,000 square feet effortlessly, removing 99.9% of pollutants, smoke, and dust. The fan speed is adjustable and runs quietly. Even humid laundry room smells are cleared with this thing. Number 3. FunkAway Smoke Odor Eliminator Spray 3.4 ounces. Tired of lingering smoke smells? This product is designed to eliminate them, not just cover them up. It's perfect for getting rid of cigarette, cigar, and campfire odors. This spray works in various spaces. Use it in your car, bathroom, or any room where smoke odors are present. It instantly clears the air, leaving a fresh scent. Using this product is simple. Just shake the bottle well and spray short bursts into the air. It's a quick and easy way to eliminate unwanted odors. Unlike other air fresheners, this spray uses a special formula to eliminate tough odors. It's guaranteed to work, leaving your space smelling clean and fresh. Explore the full range of odor elimination products. From car odors to sweat smells, this brand has you covered. All products are made in the USA. What we like. This spray eliminates extreme smoke odors rather than just masking them. It works instantly on airborne odors in various spaces, from cars to offices. If you need a quick and easy solution to eliminate cigarette, cigar, or campfire smoke odors, this is the perfect product for you. What people say. Works like a charm. Literally could not smell a trace of it and the spray lingers for a while. This product is great. It actually works. This spray does a great job at eliminating smoke odors quickly, whether from cigarettes, cigars, or campfires. Number 2. Smoke Eater 4-ounce Travel Spray, Lavender. Tired of lingering smoke smells? This product breaks down odors at the molecular level. It eliminates cigarette, cigar, and other smoke odors without washing. Simply spray it on any surface, like your car's headliner. Let it work its magic. This product is designed to tackle odors effectively. The secret weapon is tea tree oil, a natural ingredient. It breaks down unwanted aromas at the molecular level, safely and effectively. Ideal for cars, boats, and motorhomes, it handles all smoke odors. It can even remove skunk smell from your pets. This all-natural formula uses the power of nature. Freshen your curtains, couches, clothes, and hair. It works on various odors, not just smoke. It tackles food smells and musty rooms. Use it to keep your spaces smelling fresh and clean. This product is your solution for unwanted odors. What we like. This product breaks down smoke odors at the molecular level using a natural formula. It works on various surfaces, including clothes, cars, and homes. If you like a natural and versatile solution to eliminate smoke odors, you should consider this. What people say. Works very well to completely get rid of cigarette smoke. I sprayed the soul out of this bottle on every corner of the car and kept it closed during the night. The next day my husband and I couldn't believe it, the smell was gone. I almost cried. It literally ate the smell. After 2 days, not only did the perfume and smoke smell go away, so did the lavender smell that had started to gag me. After a week of treating this horrible smelling purse, all smells are gone and I can finally use it. Number 1. Smoke Odor Exterminator Orange Lemon Splash Candle. Introducing the Smoke Odor Exterminator Candle. This candle is designed to eliminate unwanted odors, leaving your space fresh and clean. It's the perfect solution for a more pleasant environment. Enjoy up to 70 hours of burn time with this long-lasting candle. This ensures you get extended use and value. It's a great way to keep your home smelling great for days. The candle features an enzyme-based formula. This unique formula is highly effective at neutralizing odors. It's a powerful way to combat unpleasant smells. This candle is effective against a variety of odors, including those from cigars, cigarettes, and pets. It works to eliminate these smells, not just cover them up. The result is a truly fresh space. The candle uses zinc wick wire cores, which are safe for the environment. This means you can enjoy a clean burn without worrying about harmful chemicals. It's a responsible choice for your home. What we like. This candle offers a long burn time, providing lasting odor elimination. Its enzyme-based formula effectively tackles various odors, including smoke and pet smells. If you like a product that provides long-lasting odor control with a pleasant scent, you should consider this. What people say. It works great while burning. The scent is very pleasant if you like citrus and cuts through the acrid urine smell in the litter box. Best candle we have used to eliminate house odors. My wife can't stand the lingering smell of meat after she cooks. So we light this candle and the orange smell acts quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.